aim of this experiment is to study the characteristic of pressure vessel and to determine the time constant of pressure of the response. Okay, now I'm going to explain what are the components is what involved in this setup. Here we have pressure vessel. So our ultimate aim is to maintain the pressure inside the tank, how the pressure is changing with respect to flow of air. So here we have a pneumatic control valve which is help us to control the flow of pressure which is sent to the pressure vessel. And here we have IP converter which is used to convert signal from pressure to current. And we have computer. With help of this computer we are going to give the input. According to the input we can able to control the pressure inside the tank. Now I am going to explain step by step how we can operate this, how we can control the pressure inside the tank. So we have the SCADA icon here. Click on it and then it will ask your username, password. Then it will allow to access the SCADA window. Here we have the open process. Click on it. You will get another pop-up window where we have to select our system. Our system is pressure, and then you have to click on OK. So now see that here you have start logging, stop logging, PID, logging history. So we have to click first PID. We have to check whether proportional, integral and derivative value is available or not. If it is not there, you can click set for auto tune so that it will fix its own P value, I value and D value. And then one more option is there. If you want to operate as a open loop control system, you can click on this. And if you want to operate as a on off control, you can click on this. And if you want to operate as a closed control system, you can click on PID control. Now we are going to control by closed loop system. Okay, and then you have to close it. Then here the set value is your desired value and pressure inside the tank is initially 0, and this the signal from the controller is CV. Next step is you have to give this desired value. My desired value is I have to control 10 psi pressure inside the tank. Okay, so now pressure, and then you have to start logging. See that the red line is your actual value, and once it reach the blue line, the blue line is a set value, and then your red is the process value, that is pressure inside the tank. Once this pressure inside the tank it reaches the set value, you can stop your process. It means that it will control the pressure inside the tank at 10 pressure. Once you got this graph, again you have to go to logging history. Okay, and then you have to export your value to the Excel sheet. For that, click on export to Excel and then put OK. It will ask the file name, in what file name you are going to save this, and then click on save. So your file, your data will be saved, and then go to your file, click on it, you will get a X and Y value. Then you have to plot the graph between time versus pressure. From this graph we can find out time constant, one time constant by 63.2% method, which is already explained in the beginning of this laboratory video. Thank you.